You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American football player. If you want to learn more names from the NFL that are confusing, you found the right channel. I have more videos for you you wouldn't want to watch. Nick Emmanwori. How to pronounce Nick Emmanwori. Nick Emmanwori. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.